Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many attempts to try again later on the application of Fitbit. Here we go to settings. Here on this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this window, you will search about Fitbit and you will click. Here in this list, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix it.